Today we're going to look at two ways on how to post-date Schoololgy assignments for students. The first way is once an assignment has been created, click on the gear next to the item and you can choose to publish or unpublished. This assignment is already unpublished, which means it's grayed out and the students cannot see it, but the owner of the class can. If I click publish, then it's going to allow them to have access. The other way to post-date an assignment for your students is to create folders. So in this example, I have a folder called example and I've created examples within that folder. There are 3 folders with assignments in it. If I click on the gear next to the first folder, I have the option to edit. This edit is going to be a little bit different from the edit that we normally see. Because it is a folder within a folder, the availability, we can publish it, unpublish it, or publish on a select start date. So if you're wanting your students to have access to that particular assignment within that folder, then we would give it a start date. And then click Save Changes. Notice that now it is unpublished until after the date that we've given it at 12 a.m. We're going to try this again. I'm going to go to the second folder within this folder of examples. Click on the gear, select Edit. I'm going to publish on a start date. You can do a date range as well, but we're going to do publish on a selected start date. I'm going to choose a date. And I'm going to choose Save Changes. And notice I've left the end date open. Those are 2 ways that you can post-date your assignments for your students. One is to unpublish the assignment, as I've done here, until you're ready to use it. And the other is to go within that folder that you've created. The other folder is nestled inside. Click on the Edit button and choose a availability of publish on start date. That way you choose the date that you want the item available and choose Save Changes. And it will remain unpublished until that date at midnight.